Today I'm going to show you how Finage dealing with the DEX data feeds. We just launched our DEX data feeds. Let me show you over here. This is the decentralized aggregated feeds. As we always doing, our all data feeds are aggregated from the multiple source as like we do on the DEX. So this is still on join beta pace. That's mean you can join the beta without paying anything. You can be volunteer to get this technology better every day with us. So we have two protocols to provide this. Of course, the RESTful API. It's really easy to use it. You don't need to deal with the blockchain. You don't need to know some deep blockchain development techniques. Just focus on your project, and we are doing the REST back. So the second one is WebSocket. It's really revolutionary on the DEX. You're just subscribing a symbol, and you keep going to get from a stream to SBIT or last price as well. So let me show you how to join in the beta and how to use our text. To do this, it's simply sign up. We are not asking so much information like others do, so let's get register easily. Okay. And after you register, our system is automatically giving a free API key like this. Your API trial has been started. You just need to go to let's site on the API key section. You need to keep your API key private. In this example, I'm not using that account, so it's fine. We are using the same architecture, same endpoints for the cryptocurrency at the moment. So just click make a request. And this example is show us Bitcoin price, but what about wrapped Bitcoin price? Like from the how to get your WebSocket. At the moment, you can see there is no WebSocket. You need to subscribe, but luckily, Finage support team is working very well, and it's giving you instant trial for the DEX, especially in this sense. So I'm just saying, hi, I need to join DEX beta. My account is yes. We receive a message to yes, they will activating our DEX. Waited a couple of minutes, then we receive it's done. So yeah, we can close that one. And let's now check the WebSocket side on the left. And yeah, as you can see, we receive a new WebSocket key. You also need to keep it secret, but in this example, it's okay. And here we go. DEX data feeds beta server. So to do this, I'm simply copy it to my beta server, and I'm going to use this plugin. It's called Smart WebSocket Client on Chrome. Let me copy it. Yeah, it's automatically copying my WebSocket and socket name. So I'm going back and I'm checking how can I subscribe. Okay, this is example. I'm putting the message over here, and first of all, I'm connecting to my WebSocket, and yes, it's the adapter. And let's try wrapped Bitcoin price, and I'm sending it. As you can see, we're getting the price, quantity, and time spent continuously. This is a streaming. Yes, today that was the how to get the free API key and how to use the WebSocket on DEXs. Thank you for watching today.